wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah, I am fine. What about you, Mamita?
Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Anyway, I always see you going to library and reading books. What happens, friends?
These are always a valuable time. It makes us learn. I think addiction to game is not good.
I can understand what you say.
These are always a valuable time. It makes us learn. Why each conscious and responsible citizens of the country.
You are right. I will try my best to keep up this bad habit and initiate the habit of reading books.
Yes, you have to understand it or you will be suffers in the long run. Love to reading books. It's a very good habit and it makes us wise, conscious and responsible citizens of the country.
Please pray for me. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Alhamdulillah, may you be successful.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.